Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Green Dot to Cash App. So in order to do this, first of all, launch the Cash App on your phone and go to your profile icon that is in the top right. From there, tap linked banks or linked accounts. You'll be adding your Green Dot card or account here to receive funds. Now, tap add debit card if you have a Green Dot Visa debit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV and zip code. Once linked, you'll be able to instantly send money from Green Dot to Cash App. And if you prefer to link your Green Dot bank account instead, select Add Bank and enter your routing and account numbers that is found in your Green Dot application. After linking, go back to the Cash App home screen, tap Add Cash, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose your Green Dot account as the funding source and confirm. Funds usually appear instantly if you used a debit card or within 1 to 3 business days if via ACH. Now, check your Cash App balance to confirm the money has arrived, and you can view the full transaction details under Activity. Green Dot and Cash App will also send notifications for confirmation. A tip: always ensure the name on both account matches to avoid transfer errors. And if instant transfer isn't available, wait for ACH processing. It's slower but free. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.